Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to buy iQIYI gift cards. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You'll not be able to buy the iQIYI gift card in the application itself. So you'll have to take the help of the third-party applications or platforms. So once you open the browser, simply tap on the search bar. After you do that, what you have to do is search for iQIYI gift cards. Now search for it. You'll be able to see the results over here. You can see various websites and platforms that offer you the iQIYI gift cards. Simply scroll down to see more. Here I'm just going to go to this platform Razor Gold. So what you have to do is tap on the link provided by the Razor Gold itself. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Razor Gold. Now you'll be able to buy the iQIYI gift cards. You'll be able to see various products over here. You'll be able to see the product for standard and premium. You can also see various months like 1 month, 3 months, 12 months, etc. So simply tap on the gift card that you would like to purchase. After you do that, what you have to do is scroll down. Now choose the payment method for yourself. You'll be able to find the payment methods like Razor Gold, PayPal, Alipay and credit cards. So what you have to do is simply tap on any payment method of your choice. Keep in mind, if you want to choose Razor Gold as the payment method, you'll need to have the Razor Gold account. Likewise, you need the PayPal and Alipay account in order to pay from these particular platforms. And in order to pay via the credit cards, you need to provide the card details. So simply tap on the payment method of your choice. Now tap on this field, enter your email address. Now simply enter the email address in which you want to receive the receipt. Now if you have the promotional code, you can enter it over here. Now after you do all that, what you have to do is tap on this option proceed with payment that you can see on the screen. After you do that, according to the payment method that you provided, you'll be asked to provide the payment details. In case of credit card, you'll have to provide the card details like card number, expiry date, CVV code, etc. After you do that, your order will be placed. So like this, you'll be able to buy the iQIYI gift cards. So that is how you buy iQIYI gift cards. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.